discover the 𝐊𝐞𝐲 𝐿𝐴 by Suncime, a high-end solar inverter. This intelligent multifunctional inverter seamlessly combines the roles of inverter, solar charger and battery charger. Its compact design ensures uninterruptible power support, fitting your needs perfectly. Seamless transaction between on-grid and off-grid modes guarantees uninterrupted and stable power supply in different operating scenarios. The comprehensive LCD display offers customizable user settings and straightforward button controls, allowing you to adjust battery charging current, AC solar charger priority, and acceptable input voltage for various applications with ease. Integrated MPPT controller dynamically tracks and matches the voltage and current levels of the solar panels to an optimal operating point, extracting the maximum available power from the PV array. The wide input voltage range allows easy adaptation to different panel configurations. Compatible with mains voltage or generator power, it also boasts an automatic restart feature during AC recovery. With its pure sine wave technology, smooth and reliable power output is guaranteed, minimising the risk of electrical noise and potential damage to sensitive electronics. Easy to read LCD shows all essential information, enabling tracking and managing the system's performance with clarity and convenience. The colour-coded system allows users to quickly identify the current operating mode: red for battery, blue for utility, and purple for PV. Suncime is a prominent player in the solar industry, offering a diverse portfolio of energy solutions including energy storage, string inverters and microinverters. With a strong commitment to building a sustainable future, our high-quality products cater to various markets worldwide, including Europe, North and South America, Asia, Australia and New Zealand.